Hey guys, I apologize for being out again. I'm home with pneumonia. I hope to be back on Monday, but good news is that your midterm is postponed until Monday. What you're going to do today is watch this series of videos on the geometry midterm exam review, and you're going to correct your work. Correct answers, correct work, everything is expected on every single problem. And if you do that and hand it in for your midterm, there will be bonus involved. But every problem has to have all the correct work, all the correct answers in order to receive that bonus. So at this point, you have an option of following the videos that the sub is going to play on the smart board. That's your first option. And your second option, if you'd rather work at your own pace, is you can take out your own device with your headphones and you can listen to it and work at your own pace with your own device. So you have either one of those options right now. Alright, so I'm going to start with problem number 1. Find the value of x. Those are corresponding angles. So they are the same exact size. This 95-degree angle is the same as this 3x plus 2 angle. So the strategy for this problem is to set the two angles equal to each other. 3x plus 2 equals 95. Solve this. We subtract 2 from both sides. We get 3x equals 93. And then when we divide by 3, you get x equals 31. And that is the answer to number 1. X is 31.
Why do you have to make it?
Number 2. These are complementary angles. I know that because of this right angle mark right here. So if I were to add the 3x plus 2 to the x plus 4, it's going to be a sum of 90 degrees. So my setup is 3x plus 2 plus x plus 4 equals 90 degrees. Now I'm going to start solving this by putting my like terms together. So that's 4x plus 6 equals 90. Subtract 6 from both sides. You get 4x equals 84. Divide by 4. X equals 21. Number 3. Those are alternate exterior angles. This is an acute angle. This is an acute angle. So they're the same size. We set them equal to each other. 5x equals 75. To solve that equation, you divide both sides by 5. And x equals 15. Number 4. Those are vertical angles. They are formed by two intersecting lines located not adjacent. So those are vertical angles. Vertical angles are the same size. So we set 4x equal to 32. I solve that equation by dividing by 4. And I get x equals 8 for that value. And number 5. Those are corresponding angles. They're in the same position on different intersections. They're both acute, so they're both the same size. So we set 40 equal to 3x plus 1. I'm going to start solving that by subtracting 1 from both sides. I get 39 equals 3x. Divide by 3, and I get x is 13. And finally, number 6. Those are also vertical angles. They are formed by these two intersecting lines, and they're not adjacent, so they are the same size. So we set 57 equal to 3 plus 6x. I start by subtracting 3 from both sides, and I get 54 equals 6x. Divide by 6, and x is 9. Okay, that's the end of the first video. The second video will have the next page of problems on it. So you can go ahead and move to video number 2. If you're doing it on your own, you can watch the videos as much as you need to. And also don't forget, you can watch them over the weekend to practice even more for your midterm on Monday.